That's just...
It's a lot.
It's a lot to take in. It really is. What's going on? How you doing? It has been a minute. As y'all know, we live in Florida and we just had a hurricane come through, Hurricane Helene. Fortunately for us, in our area, we did not have any damage at all. No flooding, none of that. We just lost power for about 8 hours and that was it. So thankful. This has probably been, out of all my years here, going on like, 4+ decades, this has been like the worst that I have seen here. Like Hurricane Andrew down in South Florida, that did a lot of damage here. This hurricane wasn't even close to us, and we didn't have a bunch of wind damage. These people still have their little hurricane things on.
Shutters, yeah.
But it was the storm surge. That storm surge was wicked crazy. It was terrible. It got some of these areas, they got hit pretty bad. So today, I'm not sure what to expect. We're going out. We're going to bring you with us. You're going to see what's going on here. And we're going to try to have fun. We got to push through this. Unfortunately, too, there might be another system that's developing out there. So we got to watch on that as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, there's a septic tank truck thing over there and it's leaking and it stinks. We're making a pit stop here in public. Just gotta get a few things. We got like a medium tide, should be fine. Get our prep work going though. Left. Yep, go ahead. And then once you get up there, put in the two-wheel. Yeah, there's really nobody out here. A couple boats out here. But really not much to report. There's that's at the Bay Vista boat ramp. Now it's parked. That's the one that was closed. So that one took some damage. It's not super bad out here. No one's out here, so I think we still got a little ways before we get to Bunce's. We're still just enjoying this mimosa hour. Yeah, I mean, look at that. I mean, those ramps. I'm not sure how the floating dock works, but I'm thinking we just kind of lift it up and make some adjustments. And don't be doing no Miami boat ramp stuff here. Okay. Cool, because it looks like FWC over there. All right, so then just kind of, this is close enough. I don't want them coming in yelling at us or anything. Fort DeSoto boat ramp, we've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that guy's kind of toast over there too. So, oh, and that guy, he's like stuck. You see how they're like stuck up there and stuff?
Yeah.
So these are like floating ramps, so they float and they adjust with the tide. I see some people, so we're gonna make the best of it. There's not really many people out here today though, so. she's getting lippy. She needs discipline. She's gonna be. Oh, I'm always ready. Don't you worry about that. You're gonna be getting some discipline tonight. All right, we gotta do what the captain says. Captain's rules. Rule number 1: the captain is always right. Rule number 2: if the captain's ever wrong, see rule number. Alright, we'll explore around. Maybe we'll find something cool. Oh, let's go see what's in that cooler. Oh, shoot! They were in one of them. I thought we had some. Alright, Kim and Jason Beach.
I'm gonna record some ambience and put it in this track. Gonna walk down here and try to pick up some more of these big pieces that we can bring with us, but it's gonna take some time for sure. So we're just gonna continue cleaning up and take what we can with us. Someone's shoe? This is a baby shoe? You know, I mean, like that. I mean, that could have been, you know, really like in someone's garage or something, and then, you know, it just got washed out. You know? Oh, so sad. Got a nice haul here. Got a cooler, a bucket, a fin, some other large pieces of trash. So we're just trying to take what we can. I mean, we're not gonna be able to get it all, so we're just gonna take what we can and bring it with us and dispose of it. So what we're gonna do now is we saw a bunch of birds just down there over by like Bunce's. We're gonna head down there and just kind of check. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them down there. So we're gonna go check out those birds. It's really cool. They're doing some bird stuff. So you want me to get that anchor?
I got it.
You sure? All right. So she's gonna get the anchor. We're gonna get out of here and go to a different spot. That is really cool. So we could see them across the way when we were at Shell Key, but we want to kind of be a part of this. That is really cool. I mean, there's hundreds of them. Isn't that cool?
I wonder what made them get up and go like that.
I don't know. Yeah. There's
They were chilling, and then
there's some pelicans over there. They're just chilling. They're like, look, we're not doing all that. If y'all want to be doing that, be acting like birds, but we're over here. We're civilized pelicans here.
That is really cool. Really cool. Ooh, cool. Alright, let's chill here for a bit. Alright, so we just moved our location again. We're over here at the area we call Banana Hammock. This is probably our favorite spot. Probably our favorite spot. We saw a boat, a pontoon boat. We saw a pontoon boat back over there. There's another boat here on shore. So I'm taking pictures, and then that way I can post. There is a Tampa Bay boating group, so I'm going to post in there. That way, if someone's missing their boat, I couldn't get really close to that pontoon boat. Alright, so let's take a look here. Center console boat, Suzuki. Fort DeSoto. See how it smells stinky? You guess it?
I don't think he's alive because don't they retract?
I'm not sure. Somebody's in there. I don't know if he's alive or not, but he's probably alive. Oh, so this is. Oh, they got a fishing rod on there still. Wow. I hope you guys like this video. Just kind of give you a little bit of insight as far as what we're seeing down here in Florida. It's really hard to explain. I really don't have the words for this. It's sad, you know. Like I said, we're just kind of out here trying to enjoy it and just kind of see what's going on. Picked up a bunch of garbage and all that stuff, so we're just kind of trying to do our part. We'll see what happens this coming weekend. Today is Saturday, and so I'm going to do the editing on this video. I should have this out. It's going to be just some basic editing just to get it out there for you guys. Nothing creative or anything like that. If I get that out maybe tomorrow, Sunday or Monday, but then we got another storm, so we'll see what happens. But hey, that's part of living in Florida for sure. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Be safe out there, all right? Serious, be safe. We'll see you soon.